Hello friends, today we are going to see another numerical of crashing of a project. The given data is we have all the activities, we have the normal time, normal cost and crash cost of every activity. The indirect cost given is 100 rupees per day. Now we have to crash this project and we have to find out the optimum duration and the corresponding cost in which this project can be completed. So the first step is from the given data, we have to draw the network diagram. So let's proceed. First is activity 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So three arrows will be emerging from the first node. Okay. Again, if you see below 2, 5, 3, 5. Two arrows will be joined to the fifth node. Okay. So we'll keep the fifth node in the center. Let's proceed. First is activity 1, 2. We'll keep second one over here. We'll keep the third one in the middle. We'll keep the fourth one over here. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 is done. Next is 2, 5 and 3, 5. I'll keep fifth one over here. 3, 5 and 2, 5. 2, 5 and 3, 5 is done. Now we have 4, 6 and 5, 6. 6 will be here. 4, 6 and here 5, 6. Okay, the network diagram is complete. Now we'll mention the normal time and crash time of every activity below the arrows. So for activity 1, 2, normal time is 2, crash time is 1. 2, 1. For activity 1, 3, normal time is 8, crash time is 6. For activity 1, 4, normal time is 10, crash time is 5. For activity 2, 5, normal time is 5, crash time is 3. For activity 3, 5, normal time is 7, crash time is 6. For activity 4, 6, normal time is 15, crash time is 10. And for the last activity, activity 5, 6, normal time is 6, crash time is 4. Okay, the network diagram is complete. Now we need to find out the total project duration and the critical path. To do that, first we'll be listing out all the possible paths from first node to last node. Okay, let's proceed. So the first possible path will be 1, 2, 5, 6. I'll just mention over here all paths. Tn, that is normal duration, and Tc, crash duration. For the first path, 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Let's calculate the normal duration of this path. The normal duration will be 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Normal duration will be 13 days. And crash duration will be, now we'll be taking the numbers which are written into brackets. Okay. So the crash duration will be 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, the next possible path will be 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. The normal time will be 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. And the crash duration will be 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Let's proceed to the next path. The next path will be 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. The normal duration of this path will be 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. and the crash path will be, and the crash duration will be 5 plus 10, 15. Okay, we have all the possible paths and we have the normal duration and crash duration of each path. The path which has the maximum normal duration is the critical path. Okay, so now in this case 25 is the maximum normal duration, so path 146 is our critical path. Okay, I'll just highlight it over here. 146 is the critical path. Now let's check which path has maximum crash duration. Here maximum crash duration is 16, which belongs to the second path. Okay. These two values tell us that our crashing process will start from 25 days and it will stop at 16 days. There is no way this project can be completed in less than 16 days. Okay. Now we need to calculate the total cost of the project. The total cost of the project is calculated by using the formula total cost is equals to summation of normal cost plus total time required to complete the project into indirect cost. Summation of normal cost. Now we have to add all these costs. Okay, so 300 plus 400 is 700, 700 plus 500 1200, 1200 plus 100 1300, 1300 plus 250 is equals to 1550, 1550 plus 700 2250, 2250 plus 150 is 2400. So the normal cost, total normal cost is 2400 plus. Now second part, time into indirect cost. Time required to complete the project is the maximum normal duration, which is mentioned over here, 25 days. 25 into indirect cost per day. Indirect cost per day is given over here, 100 rupees. Okay, so 25 into 100 equal to 2400 plus 2500. So the total project cost will be 4900 rupees. This is the total cost of the project. We have network diagram, we have a critical path, we have the total cost of the project. Now we need to calculate the cost slope of every activity. Okay, cost slope is calculated by using the formula cost slope is equals to crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. Okay, by using this formula we are going to calculate the cost slope of every activity. So for first activity, activity 1 2, the crash cost is 320, normal cost is 300. So 320 minus 300 gives 20. 20 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So 20 divided by 1, the cost slope is 20. Second activity, activity 1 3. 460 minus 400 is equals to 60. 60 divided by 8 minus 6 is 2. 60 divided by 2 is 30. For the next activity, 750 minus 500 gives 250. 250 divided by 10 minus 5 is 5. So 250 divided by 5, we get the answer as 50. Next is 150 minus 100, we get 50. 50 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. 50 divided by 2, the answer is 25. 260 minus 250, answer is 10. 10 divided by 7 minus 6 is 1. So 10 divided by 1, the cost slope is 10. Next is 1000 minus 700 is equals to 300. 300 divided by 15 minus 10 is 5. 300 divided by 5 is 60. 230 minus 150 is equals to 80. 80 divided by 6 minus 4 is 2. 80 divided by 2, we get the answer here 40. Okay, we have the cost slope of all the activities, we have network diagram, we have the critical path, and we have the total cost of the project. So now we can proceed towards crashing. Okay, now let's start with the crashing process. The rule of crashing is we have to crash that activity on the critical path which has the least cost slope. Okay, our critical path is 1, 4, 6. Now let's check the cost slope of the activities on the critical path. The cost slope of 1, 4 is 50 rupees and cost slope of 4, 6 is 60 rupees. Cost slope of activity 1, 4 is the least, so we'll be crashing activity 1, 4 by 1 day. First step of crashing 1, 4 by 1 day. Now the time required to complete the project will be 24 days. Here if you see, the total duration was 25. We are crashing an activity by 1 day, so the total duration will be reduced by 1 day. That's why the time will be 24 days, and the corresponding cost will be, after crashing activity 1, 4 by 1 day, the corresponding cost will be total cost, which is over here 4,900. Okay, 4,900 plus cost slope of activity 1, 4 is 50 minus indirect cost of 1 day is 100 because we are crashing the activity by 1 day. Here we get the answer as 4,850. The cost of the project was 4,900. Now it is reduced to 4,850. Okay, activity 1, 4 was crashed. So we'll just update it in the network diagram. The normal duration was 10. Now it will become 9 because the activity was crashed by 1 day. Activity 1, 4 comes in which of the following paths? In first path, no it doesn't. In second path, no it doesn't. In third path, yes. So the duration of third path will be reduced by 1 day. 25 will now become 24. Again, 24 is the maximum normal duration. The critical path is unchanged. Now if you see, there is still scope for There is still scope for crashing activity 1, 4 again. So in second step of crashing, again we will be crashing activity 1, 4 by 1 day. Second step, again crashing 1, 4 by 1 day. Now the time will be 23 days and the corresponding cost will be total cost, which will now be 4,850. Total cost will now be 4,850 plus cost slope of activity 1, 4 is 50 minus indirect cost of 1 day is 100. Here we get the answer as 4,800. Again the cost is reduced from 4,850 to 4,800. Activity 1, 4 was crashed. We'll just update it in the network diagram. Total duration was 9. Now it will become 8. Okay, 1, 4 only comes in the third path. So here 24 will become 23. Again, maximum duration is 23. There is still scope for crashing activity 1, 4. No new critical path is introduced and this activity is not exhausted yet. So in third step of crashing, again we'll be crashing activity 1, 4 by 1 day. Now the total time will be 22 days and the corresponding cost will be, total cost will now be 4,800. Okay, 4,800 plus cost slope of 1, 4 is 50 minus indirect cost of 1 day, which is 100. Here we get the answer as 4,750. Again the cost is reduced by 50 rupees. Activity 1, 4 was crashed. We'll update it in the network diagram. 8 will become 7. Okay, activity 1, 4 comes in which paths? In first path it does not come. In second path also it does not come. It comes in the third path. So here 23 will become 22. Again, the maximum duration is of the third path. This activity is not yet exhausted. So in the fourth step of crashing, again we'll be crashing activity 1.4 by 1 day. Now the time will be 21 days. And the corresponding cost will be total cost, which will now be 4,750 plus cost slope of 1.4 is 50 minus indirect cost of 1 day is 100. Total cost will now be 4,700. Again the cost is reduced. Activity 1.4 is crashed. We'll update it in the network diagram. Normal duration was 7. Now it will become 6. Activity 1.4 only comes in the third path. So here also the duration will be updated. 22 will now become 21. After 4 steps of crashing, the duration of the critical path is 21. But now if you see, second path is also having the duration of 21 days, which means that now there are 2 critical paths. This one and the second one. Okay, so in fifth step of crashing, I'll just mention in the fifth step, there are 2 critical paths. I'll write down both the paths. First path is 1, 3, 5, 6. This was the first, and second is 1, 4, 6. We'll list out the independent activities from each path. From this path, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 6. From this path, 1 to 4, and 4 to 6. Okay. Now let's see if there are any common activities in both the paths. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 1, 4, 4, 6. No activities are common in both the paths. So now we have to make combinations. Okay. The rules of making the combinations are: first rule, an activity from each path must be selected in a combination, and no activity must be repeated in a combination. These 2 rules you have to keep in mind while making the combinations. So the first combination will be first activity from first path, first activity from second path. Okay. So the first combination will be 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Cost slope of 1, 3 is 30 rupees. And cost slope of 1, 4 is 50 rupees. So 30 plus 50 is equals to 80. Second combination will be first activity from first path, second activity from second path. 1, 3 plus 4, 6. Cost slope of 1, 3 is 30. Cost slope of 4, 6 is 60. 30 plus 60 is equals to 90. Second combination is also over. Our next combination will be second activity from first path and first activity from second path. 3, 5 plus 1, 4. Cost slope of 3, 5 is 10. Cost slope of 1, 4 is 50. 10 plus 50 is equals to 60. Next combination will be second activity from first path plus second activity from second path. That is 3, 5 plus 4, 6. Cost slope of 3, 5 is 10. Cost slope of 4, 6 is 60. 10 plus 60 is equals to 70. Next set of combinations. Now I'll explain like this. If you see first activity and second activity from first path, they were repeated twice. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5. And from the second part, the activities were repeated in a set of 1. 1446, 1446. So in the last set of combination, we'll write like this: 5656 plus 1446. Cost slope of 56 is 40. Cost slope of 14 is 50, and cost slope of 46 is 60. 50 plus 40 is 90. 40 plus 60 is 100. Our combinations are complete. There are no more possible combinations. Now which combination has the least cost slope? This one, 60. 60 is the least, and the activities are 3, 5 and 1, 4. So in our fifth step of crashing, we'll be crashing activity 3, 5 and 1, 4 by one day. Crashing 3, 5 and 1, 4 by one day. In previous step of crashing, the time was 21 days. Now it will be 20 days. And the corresponding cost will be, total cost will now be 4,700. 4,700 plus combined cost slope of 3, 5 and 1, 4 is 60, minus indirect cost of one day is 100. So here we get the answer as 4,660. Again the cost is reduced. Activity 3, 5 and 1, 4 was crashed. We'll update it in the network diagram. Here is activity 3, 5. Here normal time is 7. This will become 6. Normal time and crash time is now same. That means activity 3, 5 is exhausted. It cannot be crashed further. We also crashed activity 1, 4. Here 6 will become 5. Here also normal time and crash time is same. So activity 1, 4 is also out of the picture. So in our next step of crashing, that is step number 6. In step number 6, we'll just mention the exhausted activities. Activity 1, 4 and activity 3, 5 cannot be crashed further. We updated the network diagram. Now we'll also update the paths. Activity 1, 4 and 3, 5 was crashed in the previous step. In which of the following paths these two activities come? In first path, activity 1, 4 and 3, 5 is not present. In second path, activity 3, 5 is present. So 21 will become 20. And in the last path, activity 1, 4 is present, which we crashed. So here also 21 will become 20. Okay, again there are same paths, but two activities are exhausted. I'll list out the paths again: 1, 3, 5, 6 and 1, 4, 6. Activities are 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6 and 1, 4 and 4, 6. 1, 4 and 3, 5 cannot be crashed, which means they are now out of the picture. Okay, so I'll strike them twice. The remaining activities are 1, 3, 5, 6 and 4, 6. Again we'll be making the combinations. First combination will be 1, 3 plus 4, 6. 1, 3 plus 4, 6. Cost slope of 1, 3 is 30. Cost slope of 4, 6 is 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. Second combination will be 5, 6 plus 4, 6. 5, 6 plus 4, 6. Cost slope of 5, 6 is 40. And cost slope of 4, 6 is 60. 40 plus 60 is 100. Now again, which combination is having the least cost slope? First combination, right? So now in this step, that is in sixth step of crashing, we'll be crashing activity 1, 3 and 4, 6 by one day. Crashing 1, 3 and 4/6 by 1 day. In fifth step of crashing, the time we got was 20. So now the time will be reduced to 19 days. And the corresponding cost will be, in fifth step of crashing, if you see here, we got the cost 4660. So now the total cost will be 4660. 4660 plus combined cost slope is 90 minus indirect cost of 1 day is 100. Here we get the answer as 4650. Again the cost is reduced. Activity 1, 3 and 4, 6 was crashed. We'll just update the network diagram. 1, 3 here. The normal duration is 8. Now it will become 7. And 4, 6. This one. Normal duration is 15. Now it will become 14. We'll also update the paths. Activity 1, 3 and 4, 6 does not come in the first path. So the normal duration of first path will remain unchanged. Activity 1, 3 and 4, 6. 1, 3 comes in second path. So here 20 will become 19. And 4, 6 comes in the third path. Here also 20 will become 19. Again, the two critical paths are same. The activities which we crashed are not exhausted yet. There is still scope for crashing those two activities. So in our next step, that is step number 7, we will again crash the same activities. So I'll write over here, again crashing activity 1, 3 and 4, 6 by 1 day. Now the time will be reduced from 19 to 18 days. And the corresponding cost will be cost of previous step we got 4650 plus combined cost slope is 90 minus 100. Here we get the cost as 4640. Okay, again the cost is reduced. Activity 1, 3 and 4, 6 was crashed. We'll update the network diagram. Here 7 will become 6. Normal duration is 6. Crash duration is also 6. That is now activity 1, 3 is exhausted. 4, 6 was also crashed. So here 14 will become 13. Activity 1, 3 is now out of the picture. Okay, so in our 8th step of crashing, I'll just mention 1, 3 cannot be crashed further. Okay, we'll also update the paths. Activity 1, 3 and 4, 6 does not come in the first path. Activity 1, 3 comes in the second path. 19 will become 18. 4, 6 comes in the third path. Here also 19 will become 18. Again the critical paths are same, but one activity is exhausted. I'll just note down the paths again. 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 4, 6. The independent activities are 1, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 6. In this case 1, 4 and 4, 6. First we have already seen that 1, 4 and 3, 5 are out of the picture. I'll strike them twice. In this step we have seen 1, 3 is also out of the picture now. So this is also gone. Only one activity from each path is remaining. Okay. So there will only be one combination, obviously. 5, 6 plus 4, 6. Cost slope of 5, 6 is 40. Cost slope of 4, 6 is 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. There is only one combination. So we'll be crashing activity 5, 6 and 4, 6 by 1 day. Crashing 5, 6 and 4, 6 by 1 day. Now the time will be, in 7th step it was 18 days. Now it will be 17 days. And the corresponding cost will be Total cost here now will be 4640 plus combined cost loop is 100 minus indirect cost of 1 day is 100. Here the cost will remain unchanged. We get the answer as 4640, which was same in the 7th step as well, but the time is reduced by 1 day. So by paying the same cost, we can complete the project 1 day earlier. Okay, 5 6 and 4 6 was crashed. We'll update the network diagram. 5 6, here it is 6, now it will become 5, and in case of 4 6 the normal duration was 13, now it will become 12. We'll also update the paths. 5 6 and 4 6 was crashed. 5 6 comes in the first path, so 13 will now become 12. 5 6 also comes in the second path, 18 will now become 17, and 4 6 comes in the third path. Here also 18 will become 17. Again the critical paths are same. No activity is exhausted, no new critical path is introduced. So in our next step of crashing, that is step number 9, we will again crash the same activities 5 6 and 4 6 by 1 day. So here I'll mention again crashing 5 6 and 4 6 by 1 day. Now the time will be, first it was 16 days, now it was 17 days, now it will be 16 days, and the corresponding cost will be, total cost will be 4640 plus combined cost loop is 100, indirect cost of 1 day is 100. So here 4640 plus 100 minus 100, the cost remains same, 4640. In 3 steps the cost is same, but the time is reduced by 1 day. By paying the same cost, we can complete the work in 16 days. Okay, here we have crashed 5 6 and 4 6. We will just update it in the network diagram. Here 5 will become 4. Normal time and crash time is same. Activity 5 6 is exhausted. 4 6, here 12 will become 11. We will also update the paths. 5 6 and 4 6 was crashed, right? 5 6 comes in the first path, 12 will become 11. 5 6 comes in the second path, 17 will become 16. 4 6 comes in the third path, here also 17 will become 16. Now if you see, after crashing in 9th step, 5 6 is out of the picture. There is still scope for crashing this activity, but we will not crash it. We will stop the crashing process, because if you see, in 9th step of crashing we have got the time as 16 days, and from this table we already know that our crashing process will start at 25 days and it will stop at 16 days. So there is no need to crash the process further. So our final answer will be optimum duration is 16 days and the corresponding cost is 4640 rupees. This is our final answer. This numerical was asked for 8 marks. Okay. The steps are simple. The network diagram is also simple. There are no complications. There are only 2 critical paths. In my previous videos, I have also solved examples which have 3 critical paths. Okay. Network is simple. There are only 2 paths, but the steps are more. For such a small network, we did 9 steps of crashing and then we reached to our final answer. Okay. I hope this example is clear. If you understood this video, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. This will be the last video on the topic of crashing. Okay. So far, including this video, See, if you see over here, crashing of a project 9. I have taken 9 examples. If you go through all the videos, all 9 videos, I will be uploading this video soon. If you go through those 9 videos, it is more than enough. You will be able to solve any problem of crashing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.